So do you suffer from migraines and you're just beside yourself? I've had botox, every medication under the sun. So this is a new treatment. I think they've brought it down from 15 days a month now down to 8. If you've got 8 a month migraine days, you're allowed to have this. So it's like an antibody to bind the calcitonin gene-related peptide. Its biological activity, and that's a high elevation of that is always associated with migraine. So nothing else works. So I thought I'd give this a go. You got to stab it into your leg. Now you get 2 doses, ka-ching, ka-ching, for the first dose. Now I'm just going to show it to you. If you're a bit squeamish, you don't. I'll tell you when I'm going to do it. But you can totally do it yourself. Unfortunately, I'm one of the people that has 1% have excruciating pain for, it's 10 seconds. You've got to hold it in for 10 seconds. So it comes with this little twist off the tap to expose needle. It's got to be kept in the fridge for at 4 degrees until use. So I would say take it out half an hour before use, because when it goes in cold, it's not very pleasant. So I've just given that a little wash down. Thanks, Hazel, for licking my leg. No, and then I washed myself. So as well as taking the bottom cap off, then you turn it into the unlock button. I'm so nervous because I know what it feels like. Okay, so just press down firmly. It's going to be 10 seconds and it'll click, and then 10 seconds later it'll click again to say it's over, it's okay, you can take it off. Okay, and I know what this is going to feel like, but don't worry, it won't probably be painful for you. Okay, and if you're ever nervous about anything, just go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Don't let your mind go into it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, breathe it. Now the click actually went off, but I'm going to wait for the full 10 seconds and not swear. Okay, so that'd be 10 seconds. And take it out. Oh, and that was okay. So it's the anticipation, isn't it? Like, oh, anyway, so, but honestly, you know, if you can just sort of do that, and it just leaves a little patch, you can put a little Band-Aid on there or whatever, and that's okay now. It's the thought of it that's worse. So that's 1 month. You only need to do that for 1 month, and oh my God, I haven't had a migraine for 7 weeks. That's never happened in 25 years. So I might actually be able to get a little bit of life back. Go see your GP if everything's failed and just say that I've heard of this injection called emgality, okay? And blessings, I know what they're like. They suck. So see, that's a little bit sore, but I'll be okay. Good luck.